Hey guys, what's going on? So in today's video, I have a very simple video for the Shark Ion owners. This will actually cover the Shark IQ series as well, but I wanted to focus on each series and make a video for each one because the baskets are slightly different even though they will work interchangeably. So this would happen to be like a 725, 750, 850, 900 series, and some of the thousands. Any of the IQ series. This happens to be a slate gray version. I don't want to get my mat too dirty, but this is literally a very simple, awesome design by Shark. I have to say one of my favorites for this kind of robot. So cleaning it's very simple. Once you take it out of the robot, you just flip it over. You push the button to take it out the robot, and then you literally just hold this down and flip it over, and it opens up. You have your trash in here. You can throw that away. Here you have a screen. Right here is your filter. We're going to pull that filter out. Now, this is why I want to make this video. They're not easy to come out. They stick in there very well. A lot of people think they need to buy a new one of these. These last a very long time. All you need is air compressor or a can of air. Spray it out, put it back in there. You could even wash it with hot water, little brush, very gentle, let it dry, put it back in there. You want to wash these fins out if they get grime and dirt in them. And also while you have this filter out, you should pop this apart and go wash this out, because this screen right here will clog up, and when this clogs up, this isn't even working very well. So you lose a lot of suction. So your robot has to work twice as hard. You start burning up the suction motors, and that's when you contact me saying, hey, I need a suction motor, and I have to send you a $45 part. So with that being said, guys, it's super simple to clean these. Do it once a month. Get in the habit of maintaining your robot, and it will last forever. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about this, please comment below. As always, subscribe for more tips and tricks about your Shark robots, your Roombas, D-Bots, any kind of robot vacuum cleaner that you have questions on. I'm willing to try to get one and make a video on to show you all the neat little tricks, tips, and troubleshooting guides. Have a good one.